Welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing how to find the absolute value of a number. Absolute value just measures the distance from zero. So, like a ruler that only has positive numbers on it, when we take the absolute value of a quantity, we're always going to get a positive. So let's take a look at a couple examples. So 1a, we're supposed to find the absolute value of 4. Now how do I know that? Well, notice that there's vertical bars around 4. That's really an indication that we're supposed to find the absolute value of whatever's inside. So I've plotted 4 on a number line, and basically what we're supposed to do if we're finding the absolute value is figure out the distance between 0 and 4. Well, that's 4 units. So the absolute value of 4 is 4. Okay, if we look at part B, we're supposed to find the distance between negative 14 and 0. Well, I've plotted negative 14 on a number line, and here's 0. So how many units is negative 14 away from 0? Well, it's 14 units. Okay, I want you to try 2a on your own. Pause the video and then restart it when you're ready. Okay, so you should have gotten an answer of 34 because if you plotted 34 on a number line, it's 34 units away from 0. Okay, I also want you to try part B. Be careful with this one. Pause the video and then restart it when you're ready. Okay, part B is a little tricky. You should have gotten an answer of negative 15, but let me show you how. Notice that there's a negative in front of this absolute value quantity. Well, really that means there's a number there. There's an invisible number is what I call it. And that invisible number is 1. So what this means is you're taking negative 1 times the absolute value of negative 15. Well, the absolute value of negative 15 is positive 15 because it's 15 units away from 0. So you should have gotten negative 1 times positive 15, and negative 1 times positive 15 is negative 15. So while the absolute value part made this quantity positive, because we were multiplying by a negative 1, we ultimately ended up with a negative answer.